Zivon, let's climb the slide. Okay, Zuzu, be careful. You're almost there. Hee, that was so funny. I slipped. Let's try again. Yay, fun. Slide. Up we go. Me too. Zuzu, let's play on the swing. Okay, Zivon, I'll push you. Here we go. Oh, Zooey. That was so funny. Let's do it again.
Zuzu, watch me walk. You can do it, Zivon. Whoa, I'm falling. Zivon, I'm coming. I was scared. It's okay. I'm here.
Zuzu, it's okay. Let's play. Wow, a ball. Let's bounce it. Yay, so fun. Higher. Ready, Zivon? Yeah, kick it. Here we go. Oh no, too far. It's rolling away. Zivon, I'm drawn. So fun, Zuzu. Yay, jump higher, Zivon. Whee, catch the ball. Best friends forever.
Hey, Zivon, ready to play?
I found the lost ball. Oh, you found it. Thank you.
Wow, what a cute rabbit.
Let's play together.
Yes, let's.
Let's share the ball. Yes, let's play together.
Okay, let's sit down. Here you go, little one.
Yay, thank you. This is so much fun. Zivon, let's have a picnic. Yummy apples. So cute. This banana is perfect. So juicy. Best picnic ever. Ready for our picnic, Zivon?
Yes, these apple slices look yummy. So crunchy and sweet. One more, please.
You're so funny, Zivon.
Best picnic ever.
Look, Zuzu, my cap is flying. Whoa, I'll get it. Me too. Let's go. Zuzu, almost got it. Whoops, I'll help you up. Thanks. One more try. My cap, it's gone. Don't worry, Zivon, I'll get it.
I miss my cap.
Almost got it. You can do it, Zuzu.
Zivon, don't be sad. I'll get your cap.
I lost it, Zuzu.
I'm coming, Cap.
Be careful. Got it. Thank you, Zuzu.
Let's sit together under the tree.
This is so peaceful. I love being with you.